Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video for the best flowers for fall planting. Watch this video until the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. We begin with African Daisy. African daisies are charming flowering plants native to South Africa. With over 50 species and a variety of cultivars, they offer a delightful range of colors from white and yellow to pink, purple, and blue. These daisy-like flowers have a central tubular disc surrounded by colorful flat petals. African daisies thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. They typically grow to a height of 1 to 3 feet, forming mounded shapes. Their long blooming season adds a splash of color to gardens and landscapes. Whether you're starting from seeds or young plants, consider African daisies as your fall garden's vibrant companions, adding a burst of color and charm to the changing season. Canna Lilies. Canna lilies are an ideal choice for fall planting because when most flowers fade in late July and August, they come alive. These impressive tender perennials offer dramatic foliage and vibrant blooms. Perfect for mixed or tropical borders, they thrive in rich, moisture-retentive soil with full sun or light shade. Deadhead regularly to prolong their flowering season. Canna lilies can reach heights of 3 to 6 feet and span 1 to 3 feet wide at their base. For a stunning effect, plant them in tight clusters or groups. Remember to cut them back in fall to prepare for next summer's explosive growth. Marguerite Daisy. Marguerite Daisy is not as popular as the African daisy and canna lilies, but it boasts petite blooms. These sun-loving plants thrive as short-lived herbaceous, but are often grown as annuals. Their mounding form and delicate fern-like foliage add structure to gardens even when not in bloom. Marguerite daisies come in shades of white, pink, or yellow with single, semi-double, or double forms. Plant them in full sun in moderately rich, well-drained soil. Prune regularly and avoid overwatering. These cheerful daisies will brighten up your fall landscape. Which is best? Marguerite Daisy is the top choice for fall planting due to its cheerful daisy-like blooms and finely cut foliage that enhance the beauty of autumn landscapes. The fact that it continuously blooms without requiring deadheading makes it a low-maintenance option, perfect for gardeners seeking effortless yet stunning floral displays during fall season. Thanks for watching.